Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching EncycloHub. In this video, we are discussing question number 5B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. And here we are. The question number 5B is the consumer has 20 rupees with him to spend on two goods X and Y. Further, suppose price of each unit of X is 2 and that of Y is 3 and his marginal utility schedule is given below. Units is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and use schedule to show the condition of consumer equilibrium in the case of two goods. So this question is taken from lesson 14 and this word limit is 150. We have prepared all the answers accordingly. If you need the answers, you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We will provide all the answers according to your satisfaction, according to your numbers. So surely we will provide the correct answers and you will get a good marks. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video with new topic. We are here all time for your help.